In this tutorial, we show how to install a security camera on top of Robot Pew so that we can turn Robot Pew into a security guy. He can walk around your house and record anything suspicious. The security camera drain very amount of power. That's why we need the external battery pack. Please go to watch the other video about how to install external battery to Robot Pew. And in this video, we focus on introduce how to mount the security camera on top of Robot Pew. The basic idea is very straightforward. This is a USB security camera, and it has some battery, internal battery. It provides power through a USB-C cable, and also has a USB flash drive, so you can record very amount of videos. It's sufficient enough to hold on like a 24 hours videos. And in this video, we mainly focus on how to build this USB-C cable, because Pew we buy power through the USB-C cable. Pew will provide power to the security camera. And the other effort is we need to design a simple camera mount. And the other small changes is we need to tweak the program a little bit, because we add weight to the top of the robot's head. We shift the center of gravity a little bit. Besides that, this project is really fun and straightforward to implement it. Pew had 5 pins on his head. It's used to install things. It can be provided by Lego pin, or you can use a screw to mount adapters. Say, for example, here we can design an adapter for the security camera. So as you can see here, this is a simple adapter. Very simple. It's just a U-shape brackets, and it's got 2 screws. And as you can see here, there's a little teeth here that can bite into the security camera groove here, and we can use this bracket to install the camera like this. What we need to do is we do 3D. We measure the distance of these holes and do 3D design and do a measurement of the camera size. Then we design a bracket, 3D print it out, and mount the security camera on top of Pew. Then we use a USB-C cable, provide power through the power supply inside Pew's head. And this is a PCB board. As you can see here, there's a 5-volt pin here, so that provide the output power. So what we need to do is we need to get a piece of now let's introduce how to make the power supply cable to the USB camera, security camera. So this is a USB cable. So then first we cut it to the right length. Then we just need to strip up the wire a little bit. See, we remove the cover plastic. Then we need to expose the wire. You just need about 2 mm length is good enough. Okay. Now we need to then next it is we get the DuPont adapter connector. Now we insert a pin here. Before we insert that, we need to put some like a heat shrink tube here. Okay. Then get a USB-C cable. Then we cut it. Then we install DuPont connector on the other end and insert to this pin. Now the cable is done. So what we need to do is remember the polarity. So I put the red wire. This is positive, black wire is negative. Then have to map into the connection here. So if you do it wrong, you will short circuit. So let's connect like this to provide. And this side go to the security camera. Okay. Then we measure the width and height of the security camera. So it is 35 millimeters, and the height is 15.5. Then we introduce how to design the head mount, the camera mount. Just go to the Start of Pew Book 4 Journey and pick the classes 3D design and 3D print the webcam. And join the classes, Pew community, Tinkercad classes. And you can click this and we go to the security mount design. I have two design here. The first one is we just put a pin insert a pin into the mounting holes, but we recommend don't use that. I like this approach. Basically use a screw. We dig a screw hole here and use a screw to mount it, so it's has better it's more secure. So as you can see here, let me unmerge this. Then you can see how do I achieve the design. As you can see here, what I did here is I first I built a cylinder, a cube. Then I dug a hollow cube inside it, and this dimension is 35 by 15.5. That's the size of the security camera. Then I built a bigger cylinder, which is about the thickness is about 39 So the wall thickness is 2 millimeters. Then I add another tube to this size. So that use has to reach out, so this beam will reach out to the screw holes. Then I dug a screw holes at the right length. They are about 60 millimeters apart. Okay, then I basically merge them together. Oh, one more thing, I add a small, see at here I add a small teeth here to groove into the camera mount. See that? So after that, I just merge them together. This is so simple, and merge them into a nice structure. Hold on, let me make sure. Let me hide it. See, I have small little two teeth here. So you have to respect the order of this merging, otherwise you will make those two teeth disappear. So what we need to do is like this. Say first you select the empty space, then you select outside, you select this outside frame, select this cube, then select this bar, then the merge them together. As you can see here, once you merge like this, those two teeth is still there. Then you merge these teeth to the outside frame structure. Now you dug a hole and two ends. So basically the sequence of to do this Boolean operation of objects matters. If you do in the wrong sequence, the key feature will disappear. Then you simply export it, this object, as a TLO file, and 3D print it up. That's it. The camera mount model. So to print this, you have to pay attention to the printing orientation. You have to print in this position, because if you print the other way, if you print like this position, it will waste the support. And if you print this position, it also wastes the support. So only in this position, you don't need any support. Okay. Very little support. Only at the teeth section you need a support. Then you can slide the plate. You can see this is how the support looks like. See, very little support. Then you can just print this out. As you can see, I insert this cable to this 5-volt output pin. It's hidden right there. Okay, so then I put the microbit back into the place, and as you can see, I dug a little hole at here in order to make the cable has room for the cable to come out. Then I insert and I screw in the 3D printed bracket like this. Then I insert the security camera there and put in a USB cable here. Now, as you can see, over the tube got a nicely secure camera. Security camera.
Robot gyms.